So worship Allah alone by doing religious deeds sincerely for Allah's sake only. Surely the religion is purely for Allah. Is the hadith of Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu, who narrated that Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, إنما الأعمال بالنيات وإنما لكل امرئ ما نوى فمن كانت هجرته إلى الله ورسوله فهجرته إلى الله ورسوله ومن كانت هجرته لدنيا يصيبها أو امرأة يتزوجها فهجرته إلى ما هاجر إليه. That Allah's Messenger alayhi salatu wassalam, he said in this hadith that has been collected by Abu Dawood in this particular wording, and likewise Bukhari and Muslim with slight variations, the actions are only by intentions, and for each person there is only that which he intended. So whosoever migrated for Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then his migration is to Allah and His Messenger. But whosoever's migration was to attain a worldly possession, or for a woman that he wanted to marry, then his migration is for that which he migrated. So my brothers and sisters, a person in every affair is required to make his intention purely and sincerely for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Otherwise the action is not accepted. If a legislated act of worship is done to show off and to impress others, then it is mardud, it is rejected by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Bal, it is considered as shirkul asghar, as the lesser polytheism. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Inna akhwafa ma akhafu alaykum ash-shirkul asghar ar-riya. He said, the affair that I fear for you the most is the shirkul asghar, is the lesser shirk or the lesser polytheism, and it is showing off your good deeds, meaning those ibadat that are purely for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you do it to impress others. This showing off, my brothers and sisters, can enter into any one of our deeds, that we know that they should be directed towards Allah. The devotion is to Allah, such as the prayer, the sadaqah, the zakah, the giving of da'wah. Even da'wah, it is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Sadaqah is for Allah. The prayer is for Allah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rejects any deed wherein partners are associated with Him.